Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove games from your Epic Games library. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. If you're looking to permanently remove a game, it's important to know that Epic Games only allows game removal when the title is eligible for a refund. In that case, you can follow Epic Games' refund process and remove the game from your account through the official support options. If the game is not eligible for a refund, you cannot permanently remove it from your Epic Games library. However, you can make your library easier to manage by using the built-in filter options. To do this, open your library and look for the filter settings. You can organize games by genre, such as action, casual, horror, racing, or shooter. Select the category you want to view and disable any filters that don't match. This helps reduce clutter and makes it easier to find the games you actually play. So that's basically how you can remove games from your Epic Games library. That's it for this video. Thanks!